So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and I will be providing you guys with a very quick update about Sha'carri Richardson relationship. Now we will all remember that recently, last 2 years, Sha'carri Richardson was being accused of being a lesbian. Yes, she was being accused of being a lesbian, and when I went on my research, I found out that the research I went on also said that Sha'carri Richardson, there is possibility that she is actually a lesbian, but recently a shocking news broke out between Sha'carri Richardson and Christian Coleman, and in this video I'll be breaking every single detail you need to know about the relationship which is between Sha'carri Richardson and also Christian Coleman. So let me begin by saying that Sha'carri Richardson is definitely a beautiful damsel, and Christian Coleman is also a very handsome nigga, right? And I feel like they are a perfect match for each other. So recently, we will all remember that Sha'carri Richardson went to the Jamaican Invitational. So after she went to the Jamaican Invitational, do not forget that Christian Coleman was present in the Jamaican Invitational, right? So after the whole Jamaican Invitational happened, a lot of athletics YouTube channels started speculating that the reason why Sha'carri Richardson went to the Jamaican Invitational is definitely because of Christian Coleman. And you all should remember what that means. That means is that she loves Christian Coleman, and I definitely agree with them, because this is not the first time Sha'carri Richardson is attending a competition that Christian Coleman is present. This is I think this is the second time Sha'carri Richardson is following Christian Coleman to a competition event in which he is participating. And from the pictures we saw in Budapest World Athletic, there is no doubt that there is a chemistry connection between Sha'carri Richardson and Christian Coleman, and there is no issue about it. Like I'm not against it. I'm totally happy for Sha'carri Richardson, because Christian Coleman is, like I said earlier on, Sha'carri is a pretty damsel, and they are a good match for each other.